Dittmer. Right now I'm a consultant engineer. I've been with Chief, associated with Chief for about 36 years.
My name is Mathew Schuh. I'm a design engineer. I've been here a little over 6 years now.
I'm just Nicolay. I'm a mechanical designer, and I've been with Chief for about 8 months.
It really had to do with just empathizing with what the installers were going through, and the complexity of what they had to deal with all the surfaces that need to line up, and then all the even the inconsistencies of construction that you're having to interface with. How do you overcome those challenges? And then by the time you're all said and done, is that you've got a very aesthetically pleasing screen layout in front that looks true, and you don't see us.
Plays a big role. In the end, they're our customer, so making them happy is number one. And just like Jay was saying earlier, that knowing what they have to deal with when they're using our product, is the biggest driving factor in how we design. We want it to be easy from the get-go.
If you were to work in a vacuum, no matter how hard you empathize or how much imagination you use on what they're dealing with, the customers, it's hilarious. Sometimes you mine and you do nothing but reinforce what you thought. And other times they throw something so obvious at you, it's like, oh my gosh, why didn't I think of that? Because of what they're installing these things. I don't want to say on a daily basis, but frequently enough that they really know the problems that they're having. And luckily enough in this project that we were able to get that feedback early enough that we were able to head on back and I think do some needed adaptations or changes to the product to meet some of those needs. And I surely hope we hit the target. Probably working with me. It's pretty hard.
I was thinking I wasn't going to say it, but no. Just to get all the motion and adjustments into one simple package.
Well, the original design that we had was the magnets. That's when I came in to this project, was to help with that latching design. To be honest, I didn't really have much of an idea how to make that work. But I do some bike restorations in my spare time, and that kind of gave me an aha moment. Because a bike brake cable works similar, where you have one cable that splits to two cantilevered brakes.
I hope we solve some issues for the installers and make their life easier, so that my hopes for our mount to be that solution for them that they can rely on to make things work when other stuff might not have been set up quite right, or the walls not straight, or the recess isn't quite the depth it needs to be perfect, that you'll have that adjustment to be there.
We had a whole long list of features and benefits we wanted to get into this product. It was really extensive, and I don't think we had to delete anything. We were able to cram it all into make it out of sheet metal and plastic, a couple springs, whatever. We were able to get it in there without having to, sell the farm. We didn't have to compromise.